Stellar is an open network that allows money to be moved and stored. It was released in July 2014 as one of its goals was boosting financial inclusion by reaching the world's unbanked. By soon afterwards, its priorities shifted to helping financial firms connect with one another through blockchain technology. Now, guys, this cryptocurrency is currently trading at 21 cents with a market cap of 5.3 billion, ranked number 31, and its ticker is XLM. Let's check out the markets, guys. They're on Coinbase Exchange, Binance, Bybit, KuCoin, Gate.io, Kraken, and Bitfinex. They're on a whole bunch of other ones. If you guys are looking at trading, hodling this, shorting, having with leverage, it's all available because it's in the top 100, and typically top 100 cryptocurrencies have that. Let's check out its price ratings, guys. So they got a C plus with symmetry on September 25th, 2020, and a double B stable outlook. So they're in top 86% of cryptocurrencies, which is amazing. I love cryptocurrencies that have rankings. Like I talk about in all my videos, it's really nice to have companies that are already looking into this cryptocurrency before I did, because it just makes it one less risk, one thing to worry about, or have some worry about. Okay, now I'll check out the news. So here's some stuff about the next scaling target for Stellar. That's their stuff that they're going to be doing for their analysis. If you guys want to check out their analysis, check it out. It's good to see multiple perspectives on cryptocurrency. This is their news, Killing Like a Cap. The news I will be talking about is on their Twitter page. Now, here's their website. Once again, I talked about this in my other previous videos. This thing is a really good website. If you want to learn more about their operations, their closing time, wow, their last ledger, just check it out. They seem like their platform is very, very liquid, very fluid. Global payments, leverage. Look at the developers, the community, the foundation. So if you guys are going to be part of this cryptocurrency, I would encourage you to read and check out their website, guys. Let's get to their Twitter page. They have 738,000 followers, a huge, vast amount. And if you go and check out their, see that they had their 1 year birthday, so it's pretty cool. Just came out. So if you learn more about their high-speed technology, just check out their links, guys. They have a lot of cool stuff on their Twitter page. But now let's get to that price prediction, guys. So my last video, I did talk about it bouncing like this, heading up higher to see if it can touch this 49 cents, but it did not, guys. We were heading down much lower, and this is on the daily. All right, let me get rid of these. All right, let's get rid of these. Now I'll do an arrow. Let's check out this downtrend. So it just made its pullback right here. So we're going to be waiting, or I will be waiting for this to break that line again. All right, let's make it a little bit bigger for you guys. All right. So with this line happening here, guys, we need to see if it can go up and close above this high to see if it'll break this trend line. Because what might happen, how it's been bouncing around this zone, we might not complete this to go higher. It might be another leg down. Here's the weekly, the big perspective, okay? So the daily looks like it's popping up, but the weekly you can see that there has been a lot of turmoil, and it may head down to these other lows down here. So is this a safe buying point? I don't think so. It seems like it might close high on the day or two, or on the weekly, but it might close down lower in the next following week and possibly break down, head down lower. Kind of like this right here. This may be an up candle, but it pull back, stay stagnant. We really got to see if it's going to break through. Either returning buyers, new buyers kick in for it to reverse the trend. But if not, this is how I see it going down. And I may be wrong, guys. It has nothing. It's not a big deal being wrong. The big thing about when it comes to trading is how much you risk per trade. So if you're risking 10% in your account each trade, 5%, 1%, you want to make your losses as small as possible so you're not making the losses too painful. Let's go back to the weekly. Maybe it'll be a little easier to get the analysis. And this is where I will see this price prediction is going to be heading down lower. And if you think different, guys, let me know in the description box below, okay? We'll have that conversation. But I definitely do see it heading down to at least 14. Let's make it easier. 14 cents. So my price prediction, guys, is 14 cents. Price prediction, guys, 14 cents. Okay. If we go down to the daily, zoom in a little bit more, we might bounce this again, or just go down lower and head slowly to this zone right here. That'd be the 14 cent zone. If it hits down, if it goes down there and attempts that low, then we might break it, or we might get a pop up. But I see that it's heading down lower because the overall trend in the daily is slowing down. Has a lot of these small little baby candles. We might push this down lower. So I won't be doing a buy limit. I won't be doing a sell stop. I won't be doing any other pending orders. Only thing I will be doing is a price alert. I'll be doing one price alert at the top of this candle, which will be 25 cents, and do a price alert at the bottom of here to see where it goes. This will be the 19.6 cents. I want to do that to make sure I can see where it's going, and if it goes up or down, I can be notified directly on my phone. Because I see it going lower. I don't want to place a buy limit because it might swing down even lower, and the dip just keeps on dipping. This, the term that's pretty popular in crypto. But guys, that's my analysis, guys. If any questions or comments, just let me know. I do see it lower. If you see it higher, just let me know. We can have that conversation. I'm not always right. And I'm not always going to be right. Sometimes I will. But I know one thing. I am very patient and like to wait until the big money enters. When the big money enters, then you're pretty much overall right anyways on that direction. The big money it leads it to. Now, guys, it's my website. It's AndreJMcClinton.com. If you want more economic stats, you guys want some things about the economy, just click on click on economy and stats. You can click on countries, then United States, and you can get our debt clock. There's a bunch of stuff on this website that I hope they can help you guys out. We're looking at rates and stuff. You guys can get stocks. So the cryptocurrency is still being built. And also, if you guys want some free indicators, or if you guys want custom indicators, let me know, okay? So if you guys want a custom indicator, an EA, trading box, or scripts, let me know. I program them for MetaTrader 4 and 5. But that's the video, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment below. We can have this conversation about Algorand, and I'll see you guys in the next video.